Hey guys, Jason here, 1952 Jeep. Thought I'd show you my little Charter Arms AR7. Got the firing pin back for it. Got it in the other day and put it together. And I was going to do a video about assembling it and putting the firing pin in, but really, man, there was this one spring in there that just gave me a fit. It'd have been 30 minutes worth of watching me fuss at a spring, so I didn't think that'd be very entertaining, but I thought I would show you how to put the little guy together. It's the Charter Arms AR7 .22 long rifle. Holds 8 shots in the clip. The whole gun goes into the buttstock, just the way you see it. It'll float. They've been around for a long time. Originally was designed to go in airplanes for pilots in case they crash landed or something, to have a weapon with them, something that they could hunt with or defend themselves. So anyway, but it is what it is. They go for brand new from in between $250 to $300 is what I've seen them for recently. I wasn't about to pay that much for it. The firing pin cost me $17 plus shipping, wound up $26 and some change, and I paid $80 for the gun. So for $106, I'll pay that all day long for them, but I wouldn't go near the $300 mark. Now, maybe if you keep your eyes open around Christmas, they might go on sale. You might get them for closer to $200. I would venture down for a brand new one. Yeah, I might go with $200 for one, but I couldn't see paying $250, $300. But anyway, let me show you how it assembles right quick. It's pretty simple. Alright, there you have it. It's ready to go. Just pull the charging pin back, get it loaded, and start squeezing the trigger. That's all there is to it. So I got a target set up over here. Let's move over and fire off a few rounds. Hanging out under the great big oak tree here at Hardway Homestead, because that's the only way I ever learn anything, the hard way. But anyway, let's see what I can do with this thing. One thing I have learned about it is when you pull the charging handle back on this thing, little handle to load it, don't be gentle or it'll hang up. You gotta pop that thing back, let it load. So let's see how well I can shoot. Move over here to the other tripod maybe. tell from here, I'm all over the page. Let's just walk up there and see. Yeah, wow. Aha. Well, I see now why I thought I was all over the page. Actually, I didn't do too bad. But I was supposed to be shooting at that target. Let's see here. I ain't got one bullseye out of it. Rest of them are all right in here. That's I've dumped one clip on this one already. I know that bullseye is brand new, and these two up here, and this one's brand new. So the rest of them fell right in here. So really, what am I about? I think I'm about 60 or 80 feet from the target. That's not too bad for the first couple of times I've shot it. I'm happy with it. I'm happy with it. A $106 rifle, not made out of the best of parts. So anyway, guys, oh, how you like my tripods? Have this one set up over here for the bench view. And this one set up over here, these two set up over here for the shoot. So anyway, guys, that was kind of fun. We'll have to play with that thing a little more, see if I can't get it dialed in some. So anyway, guys, hope everybody's Friday's starting off great. Y'all take care. 1952 Jeep out.